Hello and welcome to this edition of the Mad Carpenter Brews. Today we are doing siphoning. So I thought I'd give you a little primer on siphoning first. We are going to be siphoning our dark ale into these demijohns here. We don't have one large secondary fermenter, so we've gone with 5 smaller ones. We have the caps here, which have the holes drilled and rubber grommets inserted, and each will get its own airlock. So what we're going to do first is show you how to prime the easy way to prime your siphon. You take your end cap off if you have a model like this. This one's extendable. But quite simply, immerse it in the water. Put everything down until all the air has run out of your tube. So try to get the tube down as far as possible to get all the air out. It only takes about a minute to do this. But you try to get, there goes the last of the air out there. Maybe just a little more in there. There we go. So then what you do is you replace your end cap on there. And what you do is you put your thumb over the end of the tube here. You stand the other end up. And now you can see that that is full of water. Now the end cap will hold the water in as I transfer. This here will represent the beer, just in this little experiment. So we move the fermenter, we move the siphon to there, and as you can see, the water runs down into the bottom fermenter there because of the demijohn at the bottom there, because of the natural siphon, and you can see that quite easily the beer will drain quickly into the lower vessel. So now what we'll do is we'll sterilize everything and get moving the beer into the secondary fermenters. Okay, now we're moving on to the siphoning. I've primed a siphon here, the water is ready to go. I have it under my thumb here. And then we're going to siphon the beer out of the fermenter. And you can look in the primary there. You can see all that carousing and the trub is down the bottom and stuff. The reason we're siphoning is to get the beer away from all of that. So we're going to start by taking the primed siphon, putting it in the beer very carefully so as not to disturb anything. Put it down like that, and then we just start letting the water run out, and as soon as we see beer, just like that, see there? The beer is now in there. And what we do is we take the secondary like this, and we try to give it the least amount of air turbulence. So we place that down in there. There we go. That ought to do it. Got a little bit of foam there, but nothing terrible. And now if you look up here, you can see the level of the beer dropping very rapidly as we siphon out. So now we're going on to siphon this and these other 4.